Hello everyone. So today we are going to be installing the new air filter in this car, and I chose this AFE power drop-in air filter. It's an oil-free performance, and they claim it flows up to 24% more than the stock intake. The best part about this one is that it uses the stock intake box, and instead of getting the hot air from the engine bay, it's going to get the cold air from the outside, and the IRT temperatures are going to be down, like low, and it's also going to increase the HP a little bit. I was going to get the cone one first, but the problem with the cold air intake, the cone shape, it gets the hot air from the engine bay because it's open, and the IRT temperature is high. So yeah, in the cone one you get more sound. In this one the sound is not going to be that high, but still it's better in performance. So now let's open the box and see what's inside the box. Okay, so over here we have this sticker, the AFE power sticker, and a book, and this is the filter. Okay, so installation process is really easy. You just have to open the 6 screws. I already opened them. So here are the 6 screws: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So open these 6 screws, and then you can loosen this clamp over here so you can freely move the box. Just lift the lid up, and then you can lift the filter up. Gently just lift it up and slide it out. This is the stock OEM filter, which we are going to be replacing with the AFE one. I'm just going to clean the box from inside as well, in case there are any dust in there. So this is like exactly the same size. The AFE is exactly the same size as the stock one. So just slide it inside, and you just make sure it fits tight and there are no gaps. It's aligned properly. Then just close the lid on the top. Then you just have to do is to tighten the screws back. Okay, so all the screws are tight, the clamp is tight as well, and now just let's test it. So yeah, I took it for a test drive. The car was a little more responsive, like the throttle was responding much better than before, and yeah, it's good. There is no check engine light, and for the sound there is a little bit increase to the turbo whoosh sound. Only like if you press the gas pedal and release it instantly, you hear a whistle and the turbo whoosh, but it's not too much. But yeah, there is a this sound added to it. And it's good. Everything else is good. Thanks for watching, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.